Are you aware that Telegram has made it possible for users to move their chat history with media from their WhatsApp without having to occupy much space? Let me show you how to get it done. This is TechCity's How To, and I am Miriam Mishola. Since you already have Telegram installed, the first thing is to ensure that the WhatsApp chat you want to move is also a mutual contact on your Telegram. So go to your WhatsApp, select the contact of whose chat you want to move, click on the three dots and select the More option. Now click the Export Chat, so you can choose either to include media or not, but I'm including media. Select the Telegram on your Share option. Choose the contact of interest, import. So you wait for Telegram to import the chats. And then it's done. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, leave a comment below, share this video, and also subscribe to this channel.